attended was Right to Eat. So Z stands for Zero to Entrepreneur. There are 3 stages in this workshop, which is maker, innovator, and entrepreneur. Like on and off? Yeah, quicker?
The first session we had was on ideation, how to come up with ideas. So this whole exercise was to take them out of the fear and out of the realm. Instead of thinking inside the box, start to think outside the box and finally think without the box.
On day 2, it was storytelling and how could we present our ideas in a story form.
The biggest problem most kids have is how to communicate their ideas. So we started with how to create a story, how to go through the emotional ups and downs of the story, how to create a twist. Then they went back into the product development and they have to make a fully functioning product, electromechanical product with microcontroller, coding, mechanical parts around it.
We were taught about interview, then we defined problems during team challenge and work on creative solution. And we were also told how to build an MVP, which is basically a prototype for our presentation.
Innovation means you need to find a problem that is valuable and go understand it, engage with people, observe them, talk to them, and take all the inferences and insight and define a problem that they want to solve. Go through ideation and create solutions.
Day 4, there was a guest talk, and this guest talk was all day, and they also gave us their experience about how.
Primary goal is to convert the observations and inferences into problem statements and solutions.
PSP Incubator Lab, which was live there, it was going on. Then we went there and we saw that how a real entrepreneur is pitching about their ideas and how do they present.
How to create different kinds of business types. How do you find your customer? And what is the value proposition to each of the customers? And matching these two things.
We had a session with Grave Market, an organization that has been helping us with catering throughout the project.
And then later they learn how to pitch and present their
We
idea.
have to choose a final and real world problem which we are going to solve and present it.
They all had to make a 1-minute movie about their product, or like a commercial, and made the movie. They showed the movie, and then they had to come up and present. They had to show the problem definition, solution approach, market strategy, and a little bit of finances and such.
So all group presented their project like presentation, video, commercial, and we also have to give pitch.
So this shows the innate abilities are already there. It was just a matter of bringing it out.